So let me explain. I haven't flown my drone in about 2 weeks, which is not okay. The weather has been really terrible lately. I decided to wake up very early today. I woke up at 5:30 to shoot the sunrise. The forecast was for sunny weather, for a good sunrise. I came here on the beach and it's cloudy as hell, and it's windy. There are tons of seagulls, and there is nothing to shoot because you can't really see the sun. The sun is hidden behind the clouds. The clouds are, let me show you, they're pretty thick and they're spread over the entire place, so it really just doesn't look very cinematic to shoot here. And not even photos, no videos, nothing just looks right this morning. So I was thinking of entirely scrapping the whole idea of making this video, but I decided, wait, this happens to so many people, why not talk about it? Why not, include that in the video and use that in my video? Because I really think it happens to a lot of us to make plans, to see the images in our heads, and once you get to your destination, something else happens and your plans are ruined. So what can you do in that situation? Recover as quickly as possible. I am going to take some product photos of my drone. Now there are no people on the beach at all, so I'll just use that. Other than that, I think I will just leave the drone flying for another day. I will reschedule my early morning shoot for another day when I'm sure the weather will be better. But that also leaves me to another topic that I wanted to discuss with you guys, and that is that I don't want another DJI drone, and why I don't. Basically, with my Mavic 2 Pro, I am perfectly happy with the image that I'm getting, especially for YouTube. Many of you guys, I'm sure, wouldn't be able to tell the difference between the Mavic Air and the Mavic 2 Pro, so that says a lot. The YouTube compression and the quality in general on YouTube is not so distinguishable between the Mavic Air and the Mavic 2 Pro. So having the Mavic 2 Pro, I don't really think I'm going to need another DJI drone in the upcoming months and even years, simply because the quality is that good. Of course, I am excited about a new drone from DJI, if it's a Phantom 5 or anything else. I'm not sure if we're going to see a Phantom anymore, because the portability is a huge thing for DJI and for us as users. So I'm not really sure if we're going to see a new product from DJI that it has the Phantom name in it. But if we do, don't get me wrong, I will get that for sure. But I just don't really need it, and that's what I wanted to ask you guys as well. Do you think you need something better than the Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom, if you have those? Are you looking forward to the new DJI drone that will be released eventually? Because for me, as long as I can fit my let me show you, this thing is my backpack, and as long as I can fit my camera and my drone in this backpack, I'm happy. That's all I need. That's the backpack that I need for exploring and just making some drone trips and shooting some cool shots. And I don't really want to have a bigger case with me. I know the Phantom is a lot larger than the Mavic, of course, and I don't really want another DJI drone. That's what I wanted to say, and I want to hear from you guys. Are you excited about a new DJI drone? Do you want a bigger drone? Do you feel you need a bigger drone? And how you plan to use it if you want to use a Phantom 5, let's say. Let me know in the comment section below, and please don't get discouraged when your plans just don't work out, because sometimes that's just normal and that's what happens in life. So just prepare yourself better for next time, reschedule, reshoot, and just be focused on your next goal. And with that being said, I think I will be back very soon with another drone video. I already have a plan what should I do next, and hopefully that turns out okay and much better than this video. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this interesting different video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Drop a like if you did, and I'll catch you in my next one very soon. Ciao.